Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on location icon in taskbar. So guys, if you want to turn on location icon in taskbar, so very easy. Firstly, right click in taskbar area. After click on taskbar settings. Now scroll down. Click on turn system icons on or off. So click it. Here option location. So if you want to on, so slash to on position. That is. If you want to off or disable, so slash to off position. If you want to on, so slash to on position. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to turn on location icon in taskbar. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. And please comment this video is full or not. Thank you for watching this video.